If you think store-bought sauces are creamy and flavorful, wait till you try this one. Today we're making the freshest, creamiest cilantro jalapeño sauce that comes together in minutes and instantly upgrades any meal. Go to the description to get all the ingredients and directions for this recipe. Let's start with 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. This combo gives us that rich, creamy base without feeling heavy. I have used homemade mayo, but you can use any good quality one. Next, add 3 to 4 jalapeños, seeded and roughly chopped. Now I go with 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, loosely packed for that bright, herby flavor. Then for the aromatics, go in with 2 small cloves of finely minced garlic, followed by 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion. To season everything, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. And finally, add about 1 teaspoon of water just to help everything blend smoothly. Now once everything's in the blender, give it a good blend until the sauce turns perfectly smooth, creamy, and vibrant. Ooh, just look at that creaminess! This recipe makes about 3/4 of a cup of sauce, which is perfect for tacos, grilled chicken, and many more. Pop this into the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes before serving. That little rest time helps all those flavors come together beautifully. So, if you love quick homemade sauces like this, give this video a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, drop a comment and tell us how you used it. See you soon with another delicious recipe.